today I'm going to, we're going to pick the winner for that Beebeecraft set of 3 videos that I did. And before we get to that, I do want to share with you real quick some happy mail that I received over the holiday. This one is from my very good friend, Isabel Borrero. She goes by Shabby Hippie here on YouTube and on Instagram and Facebook. And so I just wanted to show you, open here, what she sent me. And I'm going to need some scissors. And as you can hear, my voice is stronger now. Thank goodness, it is a lot stronger. It's just sounding weird, so. And so, Isabel made a card for me, the most wonderful time of the year. And it is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Look at that. I have this paper pad, by the way, and I'm still using it. I know that this is from Michael's, I believe, from like 2, 3, maybe 4 Christmases ago. And I'm still using it because I love the pastels, the blues and the greens in this paper pad. Thank you, honey. And let's check and see what else she sent. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Look at this cute ornament. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And oh my goodness. She sent me some bling bling. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. How do I use this? Is this like topper for something? You're going to have to explain to me how I use this because there's only a hole on one end. So tell me, honey, how do I use this? Because I love it. I love it. Can I use it on a pen? So the other happy meal that I got is from Shabby Pink House. Yay, Shabby Pink House. Oh my goodness, no one does shabby like Shabby Pink House. Look at here. That is so cute. Oh, thank you so much, Christine. And I will put it right there for everybody to look at. Let me put that to the side. Okay, so what am I giving away? As you already know, you had to place a comment on the tutorial, the haul, and the project share. And what I did was I took all the comments from those 3 videos and I got them written down over here. But before I show them to you, what I'm giving away are the following. You know, and I think that y'all will appreciate this because Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And so the winner, please contact me. I'm going to leave you with my email in the description area to this video. That way I can get these mailed out to you ASAP so you can start your Valentine's Day crafting. Okay, I'm giving away this love. This one you saw me make a card with. And this one too, you know. And this one, you know, with the star. Audrey said something. I was like, yeah, well, Audrey, while I was doing this card, I was singing in my head, you may be my lucky star, but I'm the luckiest by far. That was como se dice, the inspiration. Yes, the inspiration for that lucky star card. Okay, so it's those 2. And I'm also giving away the thank you and the, is it have a nice day? No, happy Valentine's Day, I think. And thank you and happy Valentine's Day. These, and you're going to win this one. I am keeping a couple of the hearts because I do want to craft some more with them. But you're going to get the majority of them. So you get this one, you get this one, you get these little ones. And you're also going to get this frame. I have one very, very similar to it. And so you're going to go ahead and get the whole stack of this. And you're also going to get this beautiful die. I did a card last month with them. So here is my Aura Estelle. I've been waiting a whole year to use my Aura Estelle. I love it, I love it, I love it. And so let me show you here. I'm not going to show you, my God. Isn't this gorgeous? I love it. I did that all by myself. Oh, and I did these all by myself too. Okay, so like I said, I took the comments from the 3 videos, and so we have a total of 69 entries. So let me just pause here so y'all can see y'all's names. So there you go. There's this other page. I hope you can understand my handwriting. It's as bad as my voice. You tell me what's worse, to listen to my voice and to try and read my handwriting. Pick one or the other. Okay, here's another one. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to read this. I don't want to make the video too long. And that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna go to my handy dandy iPad. Okay, here we go. This is the Google random number generator. There's already the one there. And like I said, we have 69 entries. So let me type in here. And generate. Número 38. The Shabby Hippie. Check that out. Where's my... Oh, here we go. You gotta accentuate the positive. Eliminate the negative. Okay, our winner is number 38. The Shabby Hippie, who is Isabel Borrero. Yay! I already got your address, so I'm going to be sending these over tomorrow, mañana. So expect these. And thank you so very much. Remember, keep commenting because you never know when I'm going to spring up a giveaway on ya. Okay? Thank you so very much for the love and support. And hey, 2022 is going to be the best year ever. Best decade ever, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.